The idea behind literate programming is to make programming as easy and simple as possible. Literate programming aims that computer programs should not only be understood by the computers but also by the humans just by reading them. This framework or methodology was coined by Donald Enoch, and you can see his paper on this on your screen. This was released in 1992, and I will also drop the link to it in video's description. Now let me quickly show you an example of a program following this literate programming framework. The example which you can see on your screen is a very simple sum function example which takes two parameters and returns a result. This corresponds to a JavaScript code, but we are more focusing on how it is following the literate programming methodology. You can see on your screen that on the line number 6 we have this at O symbol, then we have other symbols preceded by at sign. Let me explain what they are. So if you know the literate programming, you would know that at O means output, that this line is going to give the output. And then anything between at and this bracket, opening one and closing one, anything in between is a code. And then there is another symbol which is called as, and I will just put it here, at opening bracket like this, and also at closing angular bracket like this. What it means is that anything in between will be a macro. Macro means that it will expand in place. So just by using these few symbols, you can annotate your code, and anyone reading the code would know that whether it's an output line or a macro line or simply a code. So this is the idea behind the literate programming. And with the rise of artificial intelligence and large language models, now this literate programming is gaining more and more popularity. So I hope that this was interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.